Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace all headlight bulbs on Peugeot 206 in all type. These bulbs include high beam bulb, low beam bulb and indicator bulb. Stay with us. Alright, this is the headlight of Peugeot 206. For replacing these bulbs, we don't need to take out all this, and you also don't need to any tool at all. And it could done just by your hand. Okay, let's do it. First, you should open the hood to have full access to the headlight. Okay, as you see here, and here there are two cover back of the headlight. Actually, there are four, and this is a indicator bulb. First, we should separate this part of wiper tank by pulling it. And one thing that you should know is that this cover has different type, and the usual cover is like this, that you could take it out by pushing up this tab and then flipping it backward. But my car has different cover that it would take out by turning like this. Okay, now we disconnect the wire and for bringing out the bulb, we push inward this hook and pull it to the right to release it. Okay, now we can remove the bulb and replace it with a new bulb. But in this case, we don't want to change it with new. Okay, put back in carefully and in the right way, like this. Then lock the hook and connect the wire. Okay guys, it was high beam bulb, and for the low beam bulb has same process, and it has placed just beside the high beam bulb. Now we want to show you replace indicator bulb that has placed here. And to the access to this bulb, you should turn this 1/4 to the left like this, and to remove the bulb we should press on it and make a quarter turn. Okay, now we can replace it with a new bulb, and at the end we put it back in. and turn this to the right to tighten it. Now we install the head of wipers tank. By push it down. Okay, it's done and operation completed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. We will share many new videos of repairing cars that help you to fix your car, save money and also learn new things. Goodbye.